Alright, so here is my Micro Studio 4K G2 rigged up. It's a tiny small rig handle, the XLCS cage, small rig, SD holder. I have a Condor blue cable with a 90 degree, and I also have the XLCS USB-C lock Condor blue 90 degree cable that goes up and back to there. The Sennheiser MKE 600 small rig mat box. I have a cheap Panasonic lens on here right now, and then the Nitsi, the new wing grips, I guess they're called. And what I did was I got the NATO ones with the NATO, and I got the small rig NATO rail, and I attached those. Got the bigger ones, that way I had more room to go up and down. Run the cable right back into there, and oh yeah, small rig 15mm rod attachment to move. And what I did was I actually just screwed one of these right into the monitor, because you know you can flip this however you want. And then yeah, and what's cool is I can hold this wing grip and I can focus pretty darn good like that. Works out perfect. And then the bottom plate comes off, and it is a, what is it? Oh, nice rig. Okay, so it's one of those Arca Swiss, I believe. That way I can just put it right in my tripod if I want. Yeah, works out pretty nice. I always put those rails on things like that just so it sits nice and flat. Just something I like. I know it adds a little bit of weight, but that way when I put my Mikey 12mm lens on there, then that way I can put the focus puller on there. And that's about it. So that's it. So far it seems to be about the best way for me to set it up. I really like it.